As you can see, I'm already done with this haircut. Oh boy, look at the wave pattern. Very clean, bro. But don't worry, my friends, for the rest of my time, I'll be showing you some easy lineup tips. As you can see, I'm applying the Mousse Ultra Hood product, using my fingers to distribute it to the desired area. With a hand towel, I'm drying the area, removing any oil from the surface. I also like to apply spirit for extra hold and resistance to reversion, making sure everything stays nice and neat. Guys, always pay attention before making your first trimmer cut. When it comes to the lineup, I like to start in the middle and work my way left or right. First, I create a horizontal line about 2 to 3 inches long, depending on my client's forehead shape. My next move is to create a vertical bar as my second reference point. I also make sure both sides are the same height. Now see how simple the process has become. All you need to do next is to connect both lines together, making it easier for new barbers or parents cutting their kids' hair at home. This is the way to get a crispy lineup that will attract more clients. Guys, if you are wondering what type of trimmer can cut with this precision, I have a big announcement for you. Check out this link for a comprehensive tutorial on how to zero gap any type of hair trimmer, whether at home or in the barbershop. Now we are done with the process. The last step is detailing. I like to use the corners of my trimmer to create sharp edges and make the lineup pop. Guys, that's all we have for today. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Please let me know in the comment section. I will see you in the next video.